finally got a chance to review this Austin Air HealthMate. So it's August 28th in California. And I guess we'll be reviewing this particle meter as well, so we can see the AQI is 130 SF Bay Area because of all the fires blowing smoke into the valley, the Silicon Valley. So I opened up this window, or this sliding glass door, to get some fresh, dirty air in the bedroom. And now I'm gonna turn the Austin Air on to level 3, and then we'll watch the particle detector, which outputs an AQI level drop as it filters the air with its 30-pound carbon filter. All right, here we go. So that's level 3. We'll just toggle through the levels so you can hear the sound on either one. Last night we slept with it on level 1, and we kept our AQI below 30. All right, here we go. So we'll suck the air through here, blow it out through the top, right there. And we have a decently sized bedroom. So it just kind of gives you an idea how long it will take to clean the air in this space. So yeah, you can probably hear my infant son. He's about 2 months old. I'm not going to show him on video. I'm just not ready to put him on YouTube yet. However, I mention that because I'm convinced that this Austin Air HealthMate Plus is really the best, non-HVAC style air filter to keep your infants safe during wildfire season when the smoke levels are really high and the AQI is really high in production right now. So you can see our AQI is dropping. It's already dropped by about 40 points and it's continuing to drop. So we'll just keep the camera rolling and see how long it takes us to get to a safe AQI level. So, or even safer. So we definitely want to get below 50, but I'll leave the camera rolling until we plateau out. All right, buddy. Let's get some milk. Yeah. Okay. Oh, like that. Not better. Okay. I'm gonna load up Purple Air so that we can see some of the sensors and you can see everything is red. We're at about 175 in the New Almaden Valley, which is where I'm filming this. We've got our indoor level down to 65. So these sensors here are about, on AliExpress you can get them for like $40, I want to say, and then on Amazon like 60. So and they're I think they're pretty good. So it's definitely a review for another video, but yeah, good enough for this one. We made it to 34, 33. So yeah, that took about 20 minutes to go from, absolutely unhealthy, very, very smoky air to clean air. And a couple other things to note, my placement for the Austin Air itself isn't ideal for maximizing speed of clean or air purification. So if I put it in the center of the room, for example, it would probably clean the room air a lot quicker. Instead, everything has to get pulled to this corner, but from a use standpoint, it's just easier to leave it in the corner and just kind of leave it on level 1. Now that we're at 31, I'm gonna go ahead and notch us back over to 2, then 1. And we'll zoom back in on the meter. And oh wow, that brought us up. So hopefully we can hold this AQI level at level 1 now that we've scrubbed the air at a level 3 speed for 20 minutes. So yeah, I feel like that's a really good data-driven review for this, using a simple particle meter detector. Which is, at a fundamental level, what you're buying these things for. You're trying to filter out particulate matter in the air. So I'm going to end this video with giving a shout out to my friend Ginny. She did lots of research on air filters and decided that this was the best one, built out a really expansive spreadsheet listing pros and cons of many different models. And the deciding factor for this one was the weight of the carbon filter. And so carbon is a really good material for filtering out particulate matter and toxins that you find in wildfire smoke. So while a HEPA style paper filter or foam filter might get your AQI level lower, it's not going to get the same sort of toxins that are in the air out the way that a carbon filter will. So you will find people that use both. They'll use the carbon filter to get the toxins out, and then a HEPA style filter to get that AQI even lower. But for me, getting to this AQI 30 in the 30s is fine. It's a good range, and the toxins are, I'm confident that we have enough of them out of the air that it's safe for my infant son to breathe. So thanks for watching. I hope this real-time video was helpful, and that's it. Stay safe out there. Breathe clean air. Bye, world.